Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on Nintendo Switch. First, always make sure your Nintendo Switch has a strong, stable internet connection. This is crucial for downloading and playing online. You will also need to either create a new Nintendo account or log into your existing one on the console itself. Finally, confirm you have enough free storage, at least 15 gigabytes, on your device or an inserted SD card before you begin. Now let's get Fortnite onto your system. From your Nintendo Switch's main menu, simply navigate to the bright orange shopping bag icon, which is the Nintendo eShop. Once inside the eShop, use the search function located on the left-hand side to type in Fortnite. Select the official game from the search results. It should clearly state that it is free to download, then proceed to initiate the download. With Fortnite successfully downloaded, it's time to launch the game from your home screen. Upon your first launch, the game will prompt you to either log in to an existing Epic Games account or quickly create a brand new one. This step is essential for saving your progress and items across different platforms. After your account is linked, you might be guided through a short, helpful tutorial, which is great for new players. Once you are in the game, take a moment to visit the settings menu. Here, you can truly personalize your experience by adjusting controller sensitivity, button mapping, and even visual details like the resolution or frame rate for smoother gameplay. Finding the right settings for you will significantly enhance your enjoyment. Now, invite your friends, jump into Battle Royale, or explore the vast creative mode and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.